Hey guys, RB the Garden Nanny. Today is another beautiful day here in the garden. I cannot believe it. The last time I did a video, it was regarding a storm that was going to come. It has passed. Now we have this beautiful sunny day. And I wanted to do a very small haul. I am very excited about this haul. I've been collecting some things and making sure I had enough to share for this video, but I want to go ahead and jump right in. Check this out. These are this. I got 3 of them. These are planter railings that I picked up at the Goodwill, and these are from Gardener Supply. I was so shocked to find, at first when I was going around with my cart, I found 2 of them, and they are they're brand new, self-watering. There was a piece of paper in here. I did end up finding the paper that came with the Viva self-watering balcony railing planter. And when I saw this at the Goodwill, I was very excited because I'm a gardener. I know all about Gardener Supply Company. So I knew I was getting ready to get a good deal, and I did. And I picked it up right away because I know how expensive, to me, Gardener Supply is. I rode around to the next aisle, came back up that same aisle, and further up that aisle, they had this 3rd one. Very happy about that. Now, it was also Yellow Day was 50% off. Okay, so you just was in the right place at the right time. That's how I look at it. They were regularly at the Goodwill $7.37, and I was able to get each one for $3.68. Now, if you go to the Gardener Supply, I had to write this down, but if you go to the Gardener Supply website and look up Viva, this is a Viva, V-I-V-A, self-watering balcony railing planter. It was for $49.99. I got each one for $3.68. They come in black, they come in this blue, they come in red, and they come in white. This doesn't look like it was ever used, and you know, it has all its little components. Very happy about that. Do not sleep on the Goodwill. When I say sleep on, don't pass it up. You never know what you're going to find at the Goodwill. You never know what you're going to find at a thrift store. You just never know unless you go. So I was very happy that I got these for that price, and it was Gardener Supply. Very exciting. Okay, now this is another Gardener Supply, but this was not at the Goodwill. This was on Facebook Marketplace. This is the Titan Tall Tomato Cages, a set of 3. Here are the rings for this, and here are the stakes. Now, I got this for $30. On Gardener Supply's website, the Titan Tall Tomato Cages, set of 3, is $139.99. And none of this includes tax. So I got this for $30 and I am very excited. That was a Facebook Marketplace find. Now, I rarely ever see anything from Gardener Supply on Facebook Marketplace, but I happened to be on there and I saw it and I picked it up quickly. Another great find. This is something that you probably can find on Facebook Marketplace at any time. I don't see it that often, but it is tulle. You know, we hear about tulle is really a wedding material, but we use it to put over our plantings so that the bugs won't get in it, especially your brassicas. If you're trying to grow some brassicas, this has that beautiful glittery. It was for a wedding, I'm sure, but tulle for gardeners is to put over hoop houses, to put over their little raised beds, whatever you can put a hoop over, or if you just want to tie it down and put something around it to keep the white flies out of it. This was $5 on Facebook Marketplace, and it's a nice size roll. I can use this for the garden. I always think about when you go to either the Goodwill or Facebook Marketplace or a thrift store or wherever, always think about an item and say, how can I use that in the garden? Because it doesn't have to be necessarily a garden item. If you can use it in the manner, just like for instance, this right here. This I purchased today at Old Time Pottery in my neighborhood. It is a little trash can, but I looked at it and I said, comes with a little lid. You snap it close. And what do you think I thought about when I saw this? Winter sowing. Put some holes around here, down here, of course at the top. I can use this all the time. With those buckets, you have to cut it, put the tape on it and all that. And I thought, you know, this would be a great winter sowing container. And was it meant for winter sowing? Of course not. It was meant as a trash can. This was $4.99 for this little thing. And I purchased 4 of them, $20 for something I'll have for a very long time. The next item that I wanted to share were these IKEA containers. I got 2 of them, picked them up on Facebook Marketplace. These are going in the greenhouse and they're going to hold my soil. Maybe compost, maybe who knows, whatever type of soil I want to put in here, it's going to go in here. The nice thing about it is you can just raise the lid and don't even have to take the entire lid off. You can if you want, but you can just raise it and get whatever you want out of it. The lady who I purchased this from, she was using it as a container for her dog's food, but she was selling it 2 for $15. You can go to IKEA and you can get some things very inexpensive, but some things are gonna be, you know, I didn't check to see how much it was. I will look and check to see how much this would run at IKEA, but I thought 2 for $15 is a great price. So that's what I picked up. Glad about that purchase. Okay, one more item, actually 2. These are I guess you could call it a little wagon to hold soil, to hold your tools to hold whatever you want to hold in them. And you just pull it, and it has these 2 wheels. And I got 2 of them for $25. And I know that is a great deal for these. And they look brand new. I have a wheelbarrow. Sometimes it's very difficult to haul that around depending on what you're hauling in it. This I thought would be very, very nice, very easy, very compact. So 2 for $25, and I am just very happy with my purchases. But I just wanted to say, I get so many wonderful items for the garden. I will leave a link to another video. Most of my garden things was in that video, and I would love for you to check it out and hopefully encourage you to save some money. I didn't want to go to Gardener Supply and pay $139 for tomato cages. To me, that's crazy. To me. But some people have no problem. It's an investment in their garden, and I get it. That's great. But if I can find the same Titan tomato cages, you know, it comes a pack of 3 for $30, why not? Why would I not take the time to just go in, take a look? And if you're not one of those people that like spending time in Goodwill, go in real quick, take a quick browse through, just like I saw these railing things. Take a look, see if that's something that, you know, you're interested in. So yeah, I just wanted to share that small haul and hopefully encourage you to go and find your own goodies. Thanks for watching.